Good morning everybody, 6th and 7th class students. Today social subject. Already 6th and 7th class students ki club chesi ante combined ga social related topics, general topics discuss chestam. I mean social related topics. I mean previous classes some topics discussed. Suppose which topics, continents, oceans, our Indian states, 28 states and 28 capitals, union territories, capitals, major landforms, importance, features, planets. Next to last class, some important topics, union territories and capitals. Next to deserts, the worldwide some important deserts also completed. Our India desert, Thar desert also. Okay, some important deserts in the world, some important deserts also completed. These topics also all topics related social subject, social topics. Next today another topic, general topic, 6th to 7th social related topic. So today rivers. Rivers mean the like water bodies. You know, river, ocean water or sea water taste salt, salinity content, more content salinity. There is no purpose for the drinking water and irrigation purpose, I mean agriculture purpose. Ocean and sea water not useful for the agriculture and drinking. Only river water used purpose for the drinking. Every day drinking some liters per one member, suppose one student, one member. Crores people, some billion people there in the world. The crores people depend upon rivers. Agriculture, industries, I mean type of growth means is completely depend upon rivers. The worldwide, the ancient period, some thousands years ago, 5,000 years ago, some important civilizations also occurred in near the rivers. Suppose our India, important river Indus River, the one of the great civilization occurred in Indus River. 3,500 years ago, nearly 4,000 years ago. The world great civilizations in ancient period, the civilizations occurred have near the rivers. Suppose our India, Indus River, great civilization occurred there, Indus Valley civilization, or also Harappa culture, Mesopotamia civilization, a famous civilization in the world. Mesopotamia civilization nearly 5,000 years ago. The civilization occurred near the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Tigris, Euphrates rivers, two rivers flowing in Iraq country. Iraq. The great civilization, Mesopotamia civilization, I mean Iraq country, some thousands years ago, ancient. I mean, what is the importance of rivers? Rivers, river lands or near the river region, very fertile soils region. Why? The rivers carrying or brought in valuable soils. Which soil? Alluvial soil. There are some soils names, alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, sand, etc. Very fertile soil, very valuable soil, alluvial soil. Our Telugu language, Undru Bhumi or Undru Matti. Suppose our Krishna Godavari rivers, near the Tenali, near the river Krishna. Okay, Krishna river. The river water is the more beneficial for the people. Which purpose? First drinking. Not only humans, animals, birds, all living things. All living things use the water. Throughout the world, majority population are dense population. Dense population having rivers, having near the rivers. Suppose our India, highest population located near the rivers Ganga. Near the Ganga river, crores people there. Our Andhra Pradesh, Krishna Godavari regions, highest population. Suppose Guntur, Krishna, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna Godavari river basins, KZ basins there. The area population, highest population region. Why? The people also settle in near the rivers. Why? The rivers more benefits the people. First benefit to water. Water. Water means salt water, not fresh water. Here, some important rivers names in the worldwide. The rivers names right here. Okay? Some important rivers: Nile, Amazon river, Indus, Ganga, Godavari, Krishna, so many rivers there in the world. Only simple today some rivers names, right? Remain rivers next class information. Some rivers names there. Danube, Volga, Orange, Penna. Okay, some names. Narmada. Kaveri, Mahanadi, okay, Kaveri, Mahanadi, Penna river, Damodar river, worldwide there are famous rivers there. Danube, Volga, Orange. So many rivers. Today, one or two rivers Importance discuss. First river, Nile. Nile is the longest river in the world. Nile river is the longest. అంటే ప్రపంచంలో అతి పొడవైన నది. అతి పొడవైంది అంటే రియల్లీ అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ 6,000 కిలోమీటర్స్ ట్రావెలింగ్ distance 6,000 kilometers. The river origin place, the river from Victoria waterfall. Victoria waterfall, the river origin place. The river join in sea. The river mainly flowing in సహారా డిజర్ట్. ఈ నది విక్టోరియా వాటర్ ఫాల్లో పుట్టి ప్రయాణం చేస్తూ ఎడారిలో గుండా ప్రవహిస్తుంది. ఎడారంటే తెలుసా? సహారా ఎడారి. సహారా డిజర్ట్లో కూడా ప్రవహిస్తుంది. మెయిన్లీ ఈజిప్ట్ కంట్రీలో, మెయిన్ ఈజిప్ట్. ఈజిప్ట్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది కంట్రీ ఇన్ ఆఫ్రికా. Important civilization, Egypt civilization. Egypt civilization, some important example is pyramids, mummies. Pyramid, the great wonder. Pyramids means tombs. Pharaoh emperor's tombs. Pharaoh dynasty nobles tombs. Tomb which type of body? Mummies there, The pyramids located in Egypt country. 4,000 years ago, the great civilization occurred in Egypt. Main purpose, main Nile river. Nile is the important river in Africa. The Egypt country is also called the gift of Nile. Egypt ఏమంటారు తెలుసా? గిఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ నైల్ అంటారు. గిఫ్ట్ అంటే తెలుసా? కానుక. ఒక గిఫ్ట్లు ఇస్తారు కదా మనకి. ఈజిప్ట్కి నైల్ అనేది ఒక వరప్రసాదం. నైల్ రివర్ లేకపోతే ఈజిప్ట్ కంట్రీ లేదు. అలాంటి ఈజిప్ట్లో నైలు నది ప్రాంతాల్లో గొప్ప నాగరికత అంటే సివిలైజేషన్, దాన్ని మనం ఈజిప్ట్ సివిలైజేషన్ అంటాం. ఈజిప్ట్ సివిలైజేషన్. మరి ఇది లాంగెస్ట్ రివర్. రివరు ఎక్కడ జాయిన్ అవుతుందంటే సీలో జాయిన్. ఎక్కడ పుట్టింది? లేక్లో పుట్టింది. విక్టోరియా వాటర్ ఫాల్ విక్టోరియా. అంటే ఒక్కొక్క నది యొక్క ప్రాముఖ్యత, ఈ రివర్స్ అనేవి ఎంత ప్రాముఖ్యమైనయో మనం ఇక్కడ స్పష్టంగా తెలుసుకోవచ్చు. అర్థమవుతుందా? కాబట్టి రివర్స్ గురించి టుడే మనం నైల్ రివర్ అనే టాపిక్ డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. అంటే 6th to 7th క్లాస్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఇచ్చే వర్క్లో ఒక హోంవర్క్ చూడండి. సింపుల్. Describe the importance of Nile River. Nile నైలు నది గురించినటువంటి ప్రాముఖ్యత గురించి రాయండి. ఓకే, రీడ్ అండ్ రాయండి. ఓకే, టుడే వర్క్ 6th 7th క్లాస్ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్. చేసావా?